Today I'm going to show you how to record the pronunciation of your name and display it on LinkedIn. This allows you to record your name, and then when others visit your LinkedIn profile, they can click a button and hear how to say your name correctly. Recruiters often check the LinkedIn profiles of applicants who apply for jobs, especially if you've included your personalized LinkedIn URL on your resume. If you're not sure how to do that, be sure and check out my video on resume tips and I'll show you how to do that. This is a great feature to take advantage of, even if you think you have a name that's easy to pronounce. This is very helpful for recruiters and anyone who is looking to contact you. They can actually hear how to say your name correctly before they reach out to you. The first thing is that you do need to have the LinkedIn mobile app downloaded on your device. So if you have an iPhone or an iOS mobile device, you can download the LinkedIn app from the App Store. And if you have an Android device, you can download the LinkedIn app from Google Play. Once you have the LinkedIn app downloaded and installed on your phone, you can open up the app. It'll prompt you to log in the first time, and then it will bring you into your LinkedIn feed. From here, come to the very top left and click on your profile photo. Then click on View Profile. This will open up a screen where you can see your profile photo, and then to the right of that is a gray edit pencil. Click on that icon, and then it will open up a panel where you can make your name pronunciation. So just scroll down here to the name pronunciation area, click on Add Name Pronunciation. And the recording panel will pop up from the bottom. There is an icon there with a microphone. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold that icon down while we hold the phone up to our mouth and record our name. When we're done recording, we're just going to let go and that will stop the recording. The link down at the bottom says Audio Recording Guidelines. That will hyperlink and take you out to a LinkedIn instructional page that talks to you a little bit about this recording. And it lets you know that you have up to 10 seconds to make the recording. A lot of people say their name very quickly, so the whole purpose is so that you speak your name clearly enough that people can understand what you're saying. So you don't have to say your name too fast or too slow, but you definitely have 10 seconds to make that recording. My name is fairly quick to pronounce, so it only takes 2 or 3 seconds to say my name. And some other guidelines that gives you some good advice about making sure that you're in a quiet space when you do the recording so that your phone doesn't pick up any background noise, just so you have a good quality audio recording when you're done. So I'm going to go ahead and hold the button down and say my name. Sharon Smith. I'm going to let go and I'm going to tap to preview. Sharon Smith. If I like that, I can keep it and apply it. If I don't like it, I can simply hit Retake. Then it asks me if I want to replace the existing file, and I'm going to click Replace, and I'm going to do it again. I'm going to hold this down. Sharon Smith. And I can play it back again to see if I like it. Sharon Smith. And I can click Apply. Now, once we have this done, if we did want to edit it, all you have to do is come back out, click the pencil icon again, and down at the bottom you have the opportunity to record a new pronunciation or delete it. I'm going to tap to exit out of there. I also have the option under here where it says all LinkedIn members. You have the option of recording this and displaying it only for your first degree connections or for all LinkedIn members. I'm going to leave mine for all LinkedIn members and I'm going to click Save. Once I save that, I'll get a message that the save was successful, and then it takes me back to my profile page where you'll notice that there is a new speaker icon next to my name on my profile. And that's the button that users can click to hear your name pronunciation. Sharon Smith. All right, let's check out what this looks like on our computer on the web browser. All right, so if I'm on LinkedIn and I come out to my profile page here and I'm going to refresh the screen, now that I've recorded my name, I'll get to see the speaker icon next to my profile name that will indicate that I have a recording out there for my name pronunciation. And there it is. So someone who visits my page can come out here and click that button. And let's just say I don't have my mobile device on me. If I did want to delete this, I can actually delete it from your computer desktop. Simply click on that edit button And down here, you can actually delete the audio recording. It gives you a warning message, and it does let you know that you can delete it. But if you want to re-record it, you do have to do so through the mobile app. All right, I'm going to cancel out of there, and I'm going to save this. I'm going to give you some good examples of why this is a great feature to use. Let's say I'm a recruiter and I get the resume of a candidate and the name at the top is spelled Tanya. I might think that that person's name is pronounced Tanya. But if I can go out to the LinkedIn profile and hear that person pronounce their name, I might learn that that person's name is actually Tanya. And so that's a good example of two different names that are spelled the same way. Another example is the name Siobhan. Siobhan is an Irish name that is traditionally spelled Siobhan. And if I didn't know that that's how that name was spelled and I saw a resume come through with that name at the top, I might try and pronounce that name phonetically and it might be difficult. But if I could hear the recording of that name, I would hear that that candidate say their name and I would hear that their name is Siobhan. And then I would know that that was how that name is spelled. Those are just two examples of first names. There are so many last names out there that could be long or just pronounced very differently than the way they're spelled, and so this is a great feature to use. Everyone has probably experienced a name confusion situation at some point, from one perspective or the other. Whether it's you and you have a name where people are often mispronouncing that name and you spend a lot of time explaining to people how to say your name correctly, or it could be from the other perspective that you're reaching out to someone or meeting them for the first time and you're really unsure how to say their name correctly. You might be unfamiliar with their name, or it just might be a name that you've never heard spoken before. It can be an awkward moment for both parties, and that's why this tool on LinkedIn is so useful. So you can use it to record your own name, and you can use it to listen to other people's names and to see how they say their name. When you take the time to go to someone's LinkedIn profile and you click on that speaker icon, you listen to how they pronounce their name, you're taking that conscientious step out of respect for that person, and that's always a good thing. Remember, this is just a quick audio file, so you have up to 10 seconds to make the recording. Remember to hold the phone close to your mouth when you're doing the recording and try and do it in a quiet space. It'll limit the background noise that gets picked up on that audio file and just gives you a better quality audio file for the recording. Remember to speak your name clearly and don't say your name too quickly. The whole point is so that people can play that and learn how to say your name correctly. Be sure and share this video with your friends and colleagues so they can see how easy it is to record your name and display it on your LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, be sure and give it a thumbs up to like it. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive a notification every time I post a new video. Be sure and visit my website, SharonSmithHR.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.